before I even get into today's video, please stay tuned to the end, because I am going to pull the giveaway winner in this video and you don't want to miss that part. Don't skip to the end, stay to the end, cause yeah,
you won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah, I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That's every week you get to see me, and gonna give this video a thumbs up. You know it's gonna be lit because I own it, pop, we keep it rocking. We ain't stopping. Period. So in today's video, this is a long overdue video. I was supposed to been doing this updated video months ago, just by the title y'all already know. I'm getting ready to update y'all on my edges. Now I did a video back here promoting a brand that I have come to love, and when I ride for something, I really ride for it. Like if it's a legit product that is working for me, I will ride till the wheels fall off. And always raving about the beauty of Rashida 911 extra strength growth formula. Powerful formula made especially for treating thin edges, bald spots, recent traction, alopecia, and added DHT blockers. Y'all know I love this because nothing has ever worked for my edges the way this baby here has been working. And honestly, y'all, this is my favorite when it comes to edge growth because this is a legit product that actually works. I started using this last year around October. Whenever I think it was a few months ago around, I did that video where I showed y'all how it was growing my edges. Like I stated in my video previously, when I first introduced this product to my page, I've always struggled to grow my edges, and that's why my edges are so thin, because I've always struggled to grow my edges. That is something I've been struggling with since I was a little girl, since I was a teenager in college. I've always struggled to grow my edges. Nothing new, like that's just what it was. But since I found this, since she introduced it to me, because she reached out to me, this is one of the best when it comes to my edges, because legit seeing it working, it really does work. And when I was transitioning from moving out of my apartment into moving into my house, y'all, I went 2 months without using this, and I was sick. I was literally sick because I had packed it all. I had packed all of my products down, and I had packed this oil down as well, and I had no access to getting to it. Now, if you guys remember, I always talk about how once I stop using the product, my hair tends to start back falling out. I didn't use this product for 2 months. I just recently started back using it. I didn't use it for 2 months, and my edges are still growing. They're still growing. They didn't come back out. They legit are still here. Yes, my edges are thin, but they're growing. And like I always tell y'all, I've told y'all this before, my edges have always been, if they haven't been palm ball, I've never had this much hair on my edges, never. And it's all because of these. I wanted to update y'all about this product because just in case somebody hasn't seen it and you're struggling to grow your edges, this is a really good product. I love this edge control. And the best thing about it now, this 1 ounce bottle, she has actually upgraded it to a 2 ounce bottle. Now the bottle that I have, y'all, I had packed it down so it look a little, they sent me the 2 ounce bottle. And you can tell they're completely different in size. I haven't started using this one yet, and I think she reformulated this one, so I haven't started using this one, the reformulated one that runs for $26.99, and I feel like that's a fair price. This one here was only $17.99, and that was a good price for a 1 ounce bottle, I feel. And since she upgraded it to a 2 ounce, it is $26.99, so that is a very decent price for this oil, especially when it's one that actually works. products, and I'm so glad now that I have gotten access back to it, because I can start back getting my edges to grow. And since my hair is starting to grow, it's only right for my edges to start back growing as well. I love the Beauty by Rashida, because if, like I said, if you're struggling to grow your edges, is a product that actually works. And the good thing about it is you don't have to use it every day. You only have to use it 3 times a week before you go to bed, and that's usually how many times I would probably oil my scalp, 3 to 5 times a week. And if I forget, because sometimes you have to use a product constantly every day, you get tired or you forget, and it's good that you only have to use it 3 times a week and you can get the amount of growth that you can get. And this one is a really good product. I really do love it. I suggested it to you all back here a few months ago, and I would love for you all to tell me in the comments how it's been working for you. I love it. Like I always tell y'all though, everything is not gonna work the same for everybody. This one works well for me. I hope that it's working well for you all that have tried it, because I do promote it heavily because it's a good product. And one thing that I love about the brand is the owner. The owner is so nice, and when you just have, you know, genuine people who are just genuinely nice, she is just a genuinely nice person, and that's what we love. That's what we love. And she likes to take the criticism and use it to better the product, and leave comments on how the product performed for you, and you know what could be better, what could she do to strengthen it, if it needs anything to strengthen it. I think it's perfect the way it is, but everybody likes to just dibble and dabble in things that may make something better, and I think that's what she did when she reformulated some things. She probably found extra things that could make the oil even better. So I can't wait to start on this one, because this is a reformulated one. I think I may be wrong, but I do think that this one is reformulated. So when I start on this one, I hope it gives me just I hope it gives me even greater results, because girl, I'm already sold with the one that I've been using, but when you reformulate something and make it even better, girl, the results will get better, hopefully. But yeah, I had to come and update y'all on that, because I wanted y'all to know that this is a legit product. I don't like to attach my name to something that is not actually a good product, that's not actually working for me, and I want y'all to actually see that I'm using this product. I'm really literally using this product. This is the only one that I use on my edges. Everything else, if I'm using another oil, I don't use anything else on my edges beside the Beauty of Rashida 911 Edge Growth Serum, because this is the only one that I know performs for me the way I want it to. That's performing really well. That's actually showing some growth to my edges, because I've struggled so long with my edges. So yeah. Anyways, that's it. That's the update on that. Now I do want to go ahead and do my giveaway, pull my giveaway winner. I'm actually going to do a random name generator, and I'm going to insert the clip in this, and I'm going to insert the clip at the end of this video so you guys can know who won my giveaway. And whoever wins the giveaway, make sure you email me and let me know your address and all that good stuff in the email, so that I can go ahead and get the product sent to you. But yeah, that is it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.